Alright guys, quick video for you. I got called out onto a 2010 Mercedes E350. Now, a customer wanted the belt replaced because he said that there was a squealing noise going on. So I started to look, and I started to see that the belt was starting to eat itself. So then I started to look around the whole belt system. And once I got over the tensioner, I noticed that the belt is actually off of the tensioner, as you can see right here. Now, I've worked on these engines before, and I've worked on a belt squeal noise on this engine before. Not this specific engine, but a similar Mercedes. And what ended up happening is that they went to the dealer, and the dealer couldn't diagnose it, and then they ended up bringing it over to me. And I ended up finding out that I don't know if you guys see the play into the pulley. See how that pulley's moving? How it's twerking and twisting. Well, that pulley should be stationary. No. So what that means is that this pulley, when the car started, is actually twisting. It's actually going like this as it's running, and it's causing a belt squeal. So this guy's going to need a belt and a tensioner to fix the issue. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick video onto this. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description if you guys want to see more European cars, because I really don't touch them and I don't enjoy touching them. The channel's for a fellow YouTuber. His name is Dave Sterl. Go check him out. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description for all the European cars that he does. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.